And now this was already a few months ago, she already got a baby. And I took this screenshot of her ring. She was in Alanya, actually in Turkey, with her boyfriend, and he proposed to her. And she put that picture, remember, on Facebook Messenger story. I took a screenshot. Because every result, the partners, everything what we attract don't have to do with our appearance, with our degrees. It has to do how we feel about ourselves. So this is just an example. So we need to look, in order to understand our identities, let's take a look at our mindset. Let's this circle represent our mindset. We have conscious and the subconscious mind. Does anyone know the difference between conscious and the subconscious mind? Come on, guys. Of course you know. Some of you might know.
I think the one with the conscious mind is like we understand our actions or what we would like to do, but our subconscious mind is the one that drives us to some places. For example, if we say like, oh, I'm not capable of doing that one, and then our conscious mind will say like, okay, you're not capable of doing it. But if the other way around, if our subconscious mind is like, oh, I'm capable, I'm independent, I am strong and anything, and our conscious minds will follow still.
That's a good choice. That's a good option. That's true. Someone else?
Subconscious mind is like autopilot. There is no control.
Yeah.
There's nothing. Conscious mind is where you actually think about your actions.
Exactly. Yes, it's very easy. Let's see. So the conscious mind, it's the thinking mind. It's where you can choose what thoughts to accept and what thoughts to reject. It's the intellectual mind. And it's very important to understand the conscious and subconscious mind, because this is what's going to help you to change your results. So the conscious mind, you can wake up in the morning and you can decide what thoughts to accept and what thoughts to reject. You are conscious about it. Where the subconscious mind cannot reject any thought. It must accept. And it's everything about feelings, how we feel, our emotions. So imagine, you wake up in the morning and you have a choice with your conscious mind. You can think, you can take your phone and start scrolling, looking at the news, looking at the war, start thinking about all your bad memories, about all the worries. Oh no, today I have a lot of tasks to do. Oh no, tomorrow I have to do this and that. Oh my God, my ex-boyfriend with another woman. You can accept a lot of negative thoughts, and when you accept those thoughts, it goes to your subconscious mind, which cannot reject any thought, and you start automatically feeling this way. So a lot of people get sick through their thoughts because they accept so many negative thoughts that thoughts are powerful enough to bring things into reality. So when they accept negative thoughts, the subconscious mind just accept them as well, because it cannot reject, and you just start feeling this way. And you don't just start feeling this way, you start acting this way. So actually, you can choose. Imagine you wake up in the morning and maybe you don't feel very well. You have a lot of worries, but you can consciously use your conscious mind to say, today it's an amazing day. I am filled with positive energy. I am confident. I am beautiful. I'm a successful businessman. I'm a handsome, strong man.